Welcome back to Transcendental Harmony, where we delve into the depths of spirituality, metaphysical insights, and our living a balanced life. I'm your host, Darin. In today's episode, we'll delve into the profound and complex topic of the soul. We'll explore various perspectives on the soul and its journey, understanding how different cultures and belief systems interpret this essential aspect of essence. I've always believed in a higher power, God, the universe, Creator, and in the soul as something sacred and real. But after my daughter Shelby's diagnosis, that belief deepened. The soul became more than a concept. It became a lifeline, a way to stay connected to something deeper, even in the face of loss. That experience reshaped how I understand the soul, not just as a spiritual idea, but as a living presence, one that walks with us, grieves with us, and guides us through transformation. Plato, the ancient Greek philosopher, described the soul as an eternal and immutable essence that transcends the physical body. He believed the soul comprises three parts: the spirit, reason, and appetite, each playing a distinct role in guiding human behavior. Aristotle, who was a student of Plato, viewed the soul as the form or essence of a living being. For Aristotle, the soul is not separate from the body, but it is life force that animates it and gives it purpose and direction. In Christian theology, the soul is an immortal essence created by God. It is believed that the soul's journey continues after physical death, facing judgment to determine its eternal destiny in heaven or hell. Islam teaches that the soul is a divine and immortal essence breathed into humans by Allah. The soul's journey includes living a righteous life according to the Islamic teachings and facing judgment on the day of resurrection. In Hindu philosophy, the soul is referred to as eternal, unchanging, and identical to Brahman, the ultimate reality. The journey of the soul involves cycles of birth, death, and rebirth, or reincarnation, until it achieves liberation from the cycle. Unlike Hinduism, Buddhism rejects the notion of an eternal soul. Instead, it teaches the concept of no self. The journey involves the cessation of suffering through enlightenment or nirvana, achieved by understanding the impermanent nature of existence. In Jewish mysticism, Kabbalah describes the soul as having 5 levels, each representing different aspects of the consciousness and the connection to the divine. The journey of the soul involves ascending through these levels to achieve union with God. In Sufism, It emphasizes the purification of the soul and its journey towards divine love and union with Allah. This is achieved through practices like dhikr, the remembrance of God, and following guidance of spiritual masters. Theosophical teachings describe the soul as an evolving entity that experiences multiple lifetimes to gain spiritual knowledge and understanding. The journey involves progressing through various planes of existence to reach higher states of consciousness. Hinduism and Buddhism both believe in reincarnation, where the soul is reborn into different bodies across lifetimes. The law of karma dictates that one's actions in previous lives influence their current and future circumstances. The ultimate goal is to break free from the cycle of rebirth and achieve enlightenment or liberation. Christianity and Islam teach that the soul's journey continues after physical death, leading to judgment and eternal afterlife. Christianity emphasizes salvation through the faith in Jesus Christ, while Islam focuses on living according to the 5 pillars and seeking Allah's mercy. Many mystical traditions, including Kabbalah and Sufism, emphasize the soul's journey towards higher states of consciousness and the union with the divine. This involves inner purification, spiritual practices, and guidance from enlightened teachers. Modern spiritual movements often incorporate ideas from ancient traditions, emphasizing the soul's evolution through personal growth, self-discovery, and spiritual practices. Teachings like meditation, energy healing, and past life regression are used to explore and understand the soul's journey. Regular meditation and mindfulness practices can help individuals connect with their soul, gaining insights into their true nature and purpose. Guided meditations such as visualization and soul journey meditations can facilitate deeper exploration of the soul's path. Incorporating daily rituals such as prayer, chanting, or lighting candles can strengthen the connection to the soul, enhancing spiritual growth. Creating a sacred space in the home for reflection, meditation, and spiritual practices can provide a conducive environment for nurturing the soul. Keeping a journal to record dreams, insights, and spiritual experiences can help individuals track their soul's journey and understand their growth over time. Regular reflection on one's actions, choices, and their alignment with their soul's purpose can promote personal and spiritual development. Understanding the nature of the soul and its journey is a profound and multifaceted exploration. For me, the soul became a lifeline after Shelby's diagnosis, a way to stay connected to love, even when life felt uncertain. The journey continues. It's what fuels my desire to explore, reflect, and share not just ideas, but the living presence of the Spirit that moves through grief, growth, and grace. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the nature of the soul. May your soul be nourished. May your path be clear. And may you feel the presence of love in every breath, in every step. May you remember that the soul is not just within you. It walks beside you, guiding, grieving, and growing with you. Don't forget to share, subscribe, stay connected, and follow us for more insights on spirituality and wellness. Thank you for joining us on Transcendental Harmony, sponsored by Tranquil Transcendence. Take care, everyone, and I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, namaste.